Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial: how to withdraw Chainlink from your Arculus wallet to Bitmart in 2025. If you're holding Chainlink and want to move it seamlessly, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Let's jump right in and make this process as easy as possible. First off, ensure your Arculus Wallet app is updated to the 2025 version for the latest security features and smoother transactions. Open the app on your device and log in securely using your PIN, biometric, or recovery phrase. Once logged in, head to your portfolio section. Here, locate Chainlink link from your list of assets. Tap on it to view your balance and available options. Next, select the Withdraw or Send button. Don't worry, the interface in 2025 is even more user-friendly. You'll be prompted to enter the destination details. Now, switch to your Bitmart account, go to your wallet, and copy the Chainlink deposit address. Paste this carefully into the Arculus app to avoid any errors. After that, specify the amount of Chainlink you want to withdraw. Remember to check for any network fees, which might be lower in 2025 thanks to improved blockchain tech. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Once you're ready, review the transaction summary on screen. This will show the amount, fees, and estimated time. If all looks good, hit confirm. You'll likely need to verify with your wallet's security method. Sit tight while the transaction processes. In 2025, this could take just a few minutes due to faster block times. Keep an eye on your Arculus app for confirmations. Finally, hop back to your Bitmart account and refresh your wallet. You should see your Chainlink deposited and ready to use. And just like that, you're done. There you have it. A quick and secure way to withdraw Chainlink in 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.